Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
Walaikum Assalam.
Hope you all are doing well. And please tell me that what about your last task? Are you all of you completed your last task or not yet? Please tell me.
यस सर कंप्लीट टास्क बट गिटहब के ऊपर अपलोड करने वाला रह गया वो कर रही
Okay,
हूँ मैं साथ साथ
sure.
एरर आ रहे थे
Sure, you can share your screen. I resolve your error. Please, all of you see this error almost comes to many students because you didn't. Many students didn't set their GitHub repository globally. So Saika, please share your screen. I resolve your error in front of all of these students. Please share. I tell you how we set our GitHub repository globally and authorized it from GitHub, and after that how we push the code on the GitHub. So please share your screen. Asma, you completed your task. Okay.
सर ये मैं कर रही थी अभी मेरे अपलोड हो रहे हैं इसमें
So what's the problem now? Just tell me. It's globally sets or not yet?
जी सर ग्लोबली किया था मैंने
Globally your repository is authorized or not yet? Just tell me that. Git push origin main. Uh, this is wrong command you give. You just open the GitHub terminal. Simply open the GitHub terminal.
ओके
Open the GitHub where your project folders are. Open that file or in VS Code.
ओके सर कोड ओपन करूँ
Yes, open the
कि
code.
गिटहब की
No,
वो
no, just open the code in the VS Code. Then I tell you how you push the code on the
ओके
GitHub
ओके
and share your entire screen. Okay, here you just on the top, here you just see there we have terminal. On the top you just see uh, written terminal. Before the help you see there is terminal on the top, on the top menu. Just click on the terminal.
एक मिनट सर एक मिनट सर
on the top. After run there is written terminal on the top menu. सबसे ऊपर देखें लिखा हुआ टर्मिनल, उस पर क्लिक करें. इसकी तो ब्रांच ही नहीं, आई थिंक ये तो ब्रांच में पुश ही नहीं है कोड. ब्रांच आपने क्लोन की थी? इसकी ब्रांच ही नहीं शो कर रहा वो. ब्रांच आपने की थी, आपने क्लोन ब्रांच की थी? मैं पूछ रहा हूँ आपने ब्रांच क्लोन की थी?
जी सर की थी।
अभी अब
ये मैं गिट बैश के ऊपर लगी हुई थी ना, मैं इधर वीएस कोड कर रही थी।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, गिट बैश पे भी करो. तो जब आपने क्लोन करते हैं तो यहाँ पे आपकी वो शो होती है, क्या कहते हैं उसकी, वो ब्रांच शो होती है. ब्रांच ही शो नहीं हो रही है आपकी. करो ज़रा गिट गिट स्पेस ऐड डॉट करो. गिट स्पेस ऐड स्पेस डॉट करो ज़रा. अभी
गिट
अभी पता लग जाएगा. गिट स्पेस ऐड ऐड स्पेस नहीं लिखना, स्पेस देनी है, स्पेस नहीं लिखना. गिट स्पेस ऐड
ऐड।
स्पेस डॉट, स्पेस डॉट है. एंटर करो, एंटर करो. देखो ना आपकी रेपोजिटरी क्लोन ही नहीं हुई.
एरर है।
रेपोजिटरी क्लोन नहीं हुई आपकी. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले रेपोजिटरी क्लोन करो
जी।
जाके. मैं आपको यहाँ पे बताता हूँ कि रेपोजिटरी क्लोन कैसे करते हैं. अब सारे मेरी स्क्रीन की तरफ, you should all of you see on my screen. I just telling you about that how we clone the repository from the GitHub. So you should close your screen. I am just sharing my screen, and just you all of you see my screen. Here my screen is showing to you. I'm just telling you how we make a repository and how we clone the repository. Here I just open the GitHub, and here I make a new repository. Here the name is, I just any name, test repository, test, or you want to make any, create that repository. Here we have the link of that repository. Here https, this is the link of repository. So here I just just copy this repository, and now here on desktop I make a new folder. I just make a new folder, a empty folder. Okay, here I am showing you a folder. This is my folder, and here I click left click, show more options. Here I open git bash. Here you can see, yeah, this one, the, just a minute. Here is the box is showing to all of you here. The box, when you open the git bash here, git clone and inverted commas, double inverted commas, okay, left click, then you paste the link. After that you just enter, and this is cloning the repository test. Now the repository is cloned. Here I just make a I just open this folder, sorry, this one. Here I write cmd, enter. Now I just open its code simply in the get VS code, code dot, it's open in the VS code. Okay, here I just make two folders with the name of, or two files with the name of, sorry, two files with the name of index.html. like one we have index.html, here we have index.html. Here just here I just add some code of piece of code, like we have new window, just a minute. Here I just write any div, okay, here I just write test for just I save that, and here I open the terminal, new terminal. This is just I use for demo. So here we have just a minute. Here you just simply git space add space dot, enter. Now you can see git status. Status means which file is uploading, so that is called status. This file is added. Okay, now git commit dash m, changes or work you should doing, and now git push origin main, that is pushed on the GitHub. This is the file you committed. Here is your branch name, that is main. Okay, now I'm opening that GitHub here. Now I'm refreshing that. Now here this is committed. Okay, I committed, it changes, and now, and I open this, and this is my code I pushed here. So that it's a simply method to pushing the code on the GitHub. Okay, So in last we have like Monster class. In that I also teach to the students how we globally authorize your Git. So I share the link with you of that class. If you have any problem related globally authorization of Git, you should took the class and resolve your problem. Okay. So now I just giving you the your assignment of HTML and CSS, and how many students have any problem in the Bootstrap. Sir is pushing it with Git add repository. Asma, just open your mic and simply ask the question. Please tell me.
Okay, hello, sir.
Hello.
I was just need to ask, like, is pushing the project through the GitHub directly? We know that we have the option of adding the project directly from the GitHub.
Okay.
Like from the screen, we have the plus sign there in the
Okay.
top. I can
Okay.
add it directly.
Okay.
So, like, if that method is like not much used, maybe in the real life task at work, maybe we should just know about using pushing the projects using VS Code. Like I want.
So in VS Code, this is the professional method. Okay. In VS Code, we pushing over all the project. In manually, like you can say, we just drag and drop our file on the GitHub. This is not a proper method, because in that method many files are corrupted and many files didn't push in that code. So if you further work on that, so then for this method we use this professional method that I teach you in this uh, like I teach you about the that method, git add and those commands. Okay. Like didn't copy and paste the files in the repository. Okay. Push it manually. It's a proper method, and by that in future you work on any project, you push anytime. If we working on any project like 4 or 5 persons working on a one project, so that is the method to pushing a code and merge the code in the main, and the master branch is main, and further we make the branches like with your name with any one other name. So we merge these branches in a one branch. So that's why we are doing by this method. Now you understand.
Yes, sir. Thank
Oh,
you so
okay.
much. I understand the
Okay.
concept.
So this is a method. This is a professional method. That's why we're using this method in our pushing the code. So if you have any all of you have any problem in the Bootstrap or CSS or HTML, please tell me. If you have any problem in that, if you have any implementation problems in that, please let me know.
I have a question, sir.
Okay, please tell.
So, for example, you say about the thing, for example, this method that we submit our task
Your voice is
in
distorting.
branches, right?
Your 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 voice is distorting. Please say it again.
Okay, I was saying that
Mm-hmm.
you said about, for example, people work on the same project
Okay.
and different people will submit the projects on different branches,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
So, is that helping maybe to know which person part is maybe have mistakes? Like, how can
Oh,
we
yes, yes.
know in
I,
which
I,
person?
I just got your point. Here in the last class, I just told you about that. I think you install the extension name GitLens. You install that GitLens or not?
No. Did you say that in the last class?
Git lens extension. So by git
Oh,
lens, if anyone do mistake, we just track it through git lens. There is an extension of git lens. Here I just clicking here in the front of that, like one wait a minute. I just I show you in any other folder, new window. Like I pushed many codes in the GitHub repositories. So just tell you that how we track that which person do the mistake. Okay. Uh, Here we have the this we just a minute. Get lens. This we have the get lens, and from here just we have pull requests, issues code. Just a minute. You just simply install the getlens. Now there is some problem here. It's not showing the I just cross that, I just open it again, then it's, I think it's show who did that code. Okay, just a minute. By getlens you just simply track that person, which person did the code. I think now it's not showing here. Okay, you just simply install this extension. It's called getlens. Okay, you just simply install this extension called getlens. I just write the name because there is some problem with my GitHub, so that's why it's not showing in the front of that. I'd say it's closing automatically. Just simply you install the getlens. Okay, in the next class I just show you how we track this problem. And now there is some problem with my VS code. Okay, so you just simply install the getlens extension. Okay, so just tell me that you have all of you have any problem in your tasks. In your last task, if you have any problem, please tell me. Now it's showing you 10 minutes ago I pushed this code. When many of people's working on that, here their name is showing. Okay, this, by this you tracking this problem. Okay, or pushing the code, like two or three persons are working on that. So I pushed this code 10 minutes ago. So next I just telling all of you that I just give you 1 to 2 more tasks about this HTML, CSS and Bootstrap, and you work on that, and your next class is about to 1.5 hours. Okay, on Thursday you have 1.5 hours class, so be ready in class, be ready for this class, because in that class I just ask you ask you about that you should show your projects, and I saw your how you manage the project, how you manage the code, how you structureize the code. Okay, so this is your important task which I assign you today about HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. And for the next after that task, one two after this task we move towards the JavaScript. After 2 classes we move towards the JavaScript. And if you have any problem, I saying it again and again, if you have any problem please ask me.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
So today is my the first class. So I just want to make clear that what you have taught till today.
Please tell me again.
I'm saying that today is my first class,
Okay,
and I just want to confirm that what did you taught till today.
I just after that class you just stay here, you, Sanya and Fariha, you 3 hours stay here. I just told you about what you do. Okay, so you don't
Okay.
worry about that. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So please, I am just after the class now, class ending here. I am just telling you about your task of the next class. Javeria, Sanya, and Priya, you should stay here, and all of you. I just telling you about the task in the group. You just do that, and in the next class it will be 1.5 hour class. Okay, so be ready for the next class. And in the next class I just said to show your screen and show your task. Okay, so in the next class, uh, after this class I'm sharing your task in the groups, and be carefully read those requirements and work on that, and be on time. Task should be submit on the time, please. Okay, so I just mentioned the time on that also. So after these 2 classes we will move towards the JavaScript, and some new students we also align them with us. So please do that task before the next class and submit it on the time. Okay, and be ready for the next class. It's your like test type class. Okay, so all of you please just leave the class. I'm just sharing the link after the link. I just sharing your requirements after the class, and just Sania, Javeria and Fariha, you should stay here, and all of you please leave the class.